So let's start with one classification example. Let's say we're the admissions office at a university and our job is to accept or reject students. So in order to evaluate students, we have two pieces of information: the results of a test and their grades in school. So let's take a look at some sample students. We'll start with student 1 who got 9 out of 10 in the test and 8 out of 10 in the grades. That student did quite well and got accepted. Then we have student 2 who got 3 out of 10 in the test and 4 out of 10 in the grades, and that student got rejected. And now we have a new student 3 who got 7 out of 10 in the test and 6 out of 10 in the grades, and we're wondering if the student gets accepted or not. So our first way to find this out is to plot students in a graph with the horizontal axis corresponding to the score in the test and the vertical axis corresponding to the grades. And the students would fit here. The students who got 3 and 4 gets located in the point with coordinates 3, 4. And the student who got 9 and 8 gets located in the point with coordinates 9, 8. And now we'll do what we do in most of our algorithms, which is to look at the previous data. This is how the previous data looks. These are all the previous students that got accepted or rejected. The blue points correspond to students that got accepted, and the red points to students that got rejected. So we can see in this diagram that the students who did well in the test and grades are more likely to get accepted, and the students who did poorly in both are more likely to get rejected. So let's start with a quiz. The quiz says, does the student 3 get accepted or rejected? What do you think? Enter your answer below.